Okay, everyone, I am so excited to introduce you to Sarah. Like many prospective students and their families, Sarah was looking for a university where she could connect to opportunities like scholarships and internships that would help her not only thrive now, but prepare her for a career. She found that right here at Ohio. Tell us all about it, Sarah.
Thank you for coming to my beautiful campus. In high school, I wanted to study philosophy. I was lucky enough to get into the Cutler Scholars Program, providing a full ride to Ohio University. This is a scholarly program for students wanting to make positive impact in their communities, and I was ready to do just that here at OU. Ohio has given me the opportunity to study abroad and internships. So far, I've completed 5 internships. Currently, the 2 internships I have are with the Office of the Director of National Intelligence. The other is with Data Robot, where I'm an engineering intern working on how to mitigate bias and discriminatory factors in algorithms and data sets. These amazing opportunities allow me to discover my passion and to refine my skills, making me the person I am today. That's exactly what OU does. They help you find your path and guide you through it. Ohio University is a university that helps develop and promote the town and gown spirit. They prepare us academically, but also encourage us to become good stewards of our community. For example, I'm one of 2 student representatives on the Ohio University Board of Trustees. I also work with the Mount Zion Preservation Society, which is fighting to prevent the erasure of Black history here in Appalachia. OU has taught me how to carve out my own unique path as a multifaceted person who can excel in their career, but not at the expense of ignoring my humanity. Now back to you, Alex.
Wow, Sarah, it sounds like Ohio definitely helped you find your path and connect you with your future. You certainly have what it takes to excel at any career you pursue. Thanks again for sharing your story. Take care.